To fine-tune photo colors with the color mix tool on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the required photo. Tap edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap tools icon. Tap color mix. When you select a color, you will see 3 adjustment options available here. Hue that you can use to change the color tone. Saturation that you can use to control the color intensity to make the photo more vivid or more mute. And luminance that you can use to adjust the color brightness to lighten or darken the selected color. You can use the sliders to fine-tune each aspect of the color. As the example, we will increase the saturation of red and orange in the sunset photo to make the color pop and more vibrant. If you are happy with the result, tap done button and then tap save to save the change. With the color mix tool, you can precisely control each color in your photo by adjusting hue, saturation, and luminance. You can enhance specific tone, create unique mood, and turn snapshot into vibrant work of art. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.